Hello everyone, this is my second video on YouTube with English conversation. From tomorrow I have experienced that my fear level was decreased and my confidence level was increases with communicating with the smartphone. Till tomorrow I have fear that I cannot face the camera, but today I have some less fear that I will face the camera. The biggest thing that if you are a camera lover or anything that you have to be not do so, then start doing this, and you will be the fluent in this the class that you have done, and get the mastery into this. So that, and another thing that I what another thing that what I will do in conversation, that today's topic was to just introducing myself, that but not to telling about what my profession, what I am doing, but small thing that conversation, that introduction. First of all, introduction is a basic, or first thing that you define yourself as what or who you are. So that I thought that the conversation, into the conversation, there is very much needed that for the first of all we have know that any language is not necessary for communicating with anyone, but the English language is the basic need, because many more of the people who were trying to talk within English, because English language is a standard language mentioned as a Indian, but I have also Indian, but the language was very much necessary, because it was helping to find very much clients, or dealing with the many more peoples, or the company who will be uh, say that the video was, or your sorry, video I am saying, his communication skill was better, his approach was very good, and he was able to communicate with. And also, the if we are communicating very well, the confidential level as the increase, first of all thing. But the another thing was that an a side person who hear our voices or the communications, who well says that he was very experienced in, or the who want, and he wanted to listen the voices, so that it was an very important thing to be recognized, and to create a loud voice, there should be a uh, include in this language. First of all, come to my introduction, that introduction very much needed thing, as I have told you. But as I know that this is my first or second video, so that I was not able to do much more thing. But today I have learned the book as a Atomic Habit, which I learned that grow every day with 1%, because if you will grow with every day with a 1%, doing extra something, 1%, from after the end of the day or end of the year, you have increased yourself as a 365%. If you decrease your 1%, then you will have decreased to zero, then you have nothing. So that I have initiated that from tomorrow, that into this video, first of all thing is to that filming, as I have thought that I wanted to capture my lifestyle or my life into this video, so that it would be helping in the future, or finding myself, that how I was and how I was in today. And the video was very much helping in communicating or conversing with anyone, because by fluently or telling very speedily was very much better, or in phone or in anything which I have record, there was very much important, because this was very much best thing, that into the records I have listed the mistakes that I have done, so that it would be very much better for me. And furthermore will be done for it, I think, so that but from 30 days I have to stick toward the conversation with myself, or facing the camera, that I have the fear but today I have also that fear, but I couldn't able to see my front camera or my face, so that I have opened my back camera and just to start saying that I in my I made, but I have no script, nothing to do, but just start the camera and start speaking in front of it, and it helping me very well, because from tomorrow to today's video there was having a very much speed in my language, but also improving the confidence level in myself. And just thank you for the watching the video, and we meet will tomorrow. Thank you.